Students, we are learning how to represent square root of 2, square root of 3 on the number line. Draw a straight line with the help of the scale. This is my 0. I have given the name to this point O and its coordinate is 0. And from this I have taken point A at 1 unit distance and this is my 1. Now with the help of this protractor, draw the angle of 90 degree at point A, coincide this baseline and mark here. Draw the perpendicular at point A. Now take 1 unit distance in the two terminals of the compass. Now place the tip of needle at point A and draw an arc intersecting that drawn perpendicular. This is 1 unit distance. That means the base is 1 unit distance and this height is 1 unit distance. Name this point as P. Now with the help of scale, draw this hypotenuse. The base OA is 1 unit distance. This height is 1 unit distance. By using Pythagoras theorem, we calculate the distance OP and that is square root of 2. Now measure this distance between the two terminals of this compass, the distance of the hypotenuse. Now draw an arc of the same length and bring down this distance on the number line. Where this arc intersect, that distance is, give the name to this point B and it is root 2. This distance is equal to this, that means distance OB is square root of 2. In this way we can draw the square root of 2 on the number line. Now to draw the square root of 3, make the 90 degree angle at point P. Draw the perpendicular in this way. It is the 90 degree angle. Now measure the distance of 1 unit, that is OA. Now mark the height from the point P. Put the needle at point P and mark the 1 unit distance on this drawn new perpendicular. Give name Q to this point. Now join distance OQ. It is the hypotenuse of this new right angle triangle. OQ is the hypotenuse. This base of this triangle OPQ, the base is square root of 2 and the height of that right angle triangle is 1 unit because we have taken this distance on the perpendicular. So that by using the Pythagoras theorem, calculate this hypotenuse and it is root 3. Take the distance OQ between the two terminals of this compass and draw an arc of the radius OQ and bring down this distance square root of 3 on the number line in this way where it intersect. Give the name point C to this point and it is square root of 3. If we extend this line towards the negative side, then by drawing an arc we can draw minus square root of 2 here, minus square root of 3 here. Now draw the perpendicular at point Q, make the 90-degree angle here. Join this, draw the perpendicular at point Q. Take 1 unit distance between the two terminals of the compass and mark the 1 unit distance from Q on the new perpendicular. Here it is the 90-degree angle. Name this point R. Now draw the hypotenuse of this triangle. This is 1 unit distance. That's why this distance OR is square root of 4, and square root of 4 is rational number. That means it comes at 2. Now measure the distance of OR between the two terminals of the compass and draw an arc and bring down this square root of 4. Square root of 4 means 2 on the number line where it intersects. Give the name to this point D, and it is square root of 4. Square root of 4 means this is equal to 2. We get the square root of 4, that means 2. Measure this distance, it is 1 unit, and D is at the 2 unit exactly. In this way we can draw the square root spiral by drawing the perpendicular on the new hypotenuse and taking the height of each right angle triangle 1 unit, and by drawing new right angle triangle we can draw a new irrational number.